We were all excited to get to our final destination of Budapest, but with only 35 kilometers to cycle, we took our time. We crossed by ferry from Szentendrei Island to Szentendrei town. It's known for its Baroque architecture and churches. After a nice lunch and some sightseeing, we moved on to see what awaits us. It didn't take long before we were tempted to stop again.
They have beer here. They have beer here. Hello.
And with the beer girls. Tips in here?
So for the
Oh no.
kids. Thank you.
How can you not stop at a place like this?
Like so 60.
We could have stayed there much longer, but we had to go. Somehow I found myself in not the safest place to be. Oh look, who's that? I'm not alone.
Oh, you! Thank you.
Help me up with my bucket. There's a beautiful ride here though.
Yeah, it is.
Nina's going put, and there's like a big huge bus behind her.
Oh, I don't know. How are we gonna do this? Like, you got it there? No, you don't have any of the weight. Jose, you don't have something funny here. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Okay, go. Go. Up here. I gotta have a swig.
We all made it safe and sound. Tomorrow we have a full day to explore Budapest on our bikes. I can't wait. Good times.
Yep.